Breaking news in Monroe County. Strong winds leave a trail of destruction behind in Dundee. The question tonight, did a tornado touch down in Dundee? Thanks for joining us. I'm Will Jones.
And I'm Pamela Osborne. The National Weather Service has been there on the ground gathering more information. Officials reported wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour were possible. Our Jacqueline Francis joins us live from Dundee with a look at the damage tonight. Jacqueline.
Hi, Pamela and Will. What's really interesting is how isolated the damage is. We're told the homes in the area, they didn't get much damage at all, but take a look here at Village Square. It's actually it's been closed off all day. We're going to go on a little walk as crews have been trying to clean up the mess. Earlier today, this was all covered with debris. If you take a look at this crosswalk sign, you can see that strong wind just popped out the stoplight right there. You can also see that the Dundee Fire Department is on the scene. They're addressing roof damage. We're told that it was mostly all businesses. There are some apartments above those shops there. A lot of these shops have been closed throughout the day to help assess this damage. And the big question, as you guys said, was this a tornado? Well, the National Weather Service sent someone down today, and we should be finding out anytime what that answer is. Take a look. A late morning storm made a mess of downtown Dundee. Forklifts clearing debris from Village Square. Leaf blowers finishing off the rest. The wind ripped through just after 11.
It was here maybe 10-15 seconds, and then it was gone.
Theodore Warthen and his wife were just about to open shop.
I had to use both my hands to shut the door, and as soon as I did that, I looked over and nothing but wind. I could see something up in the air flying, and then I seen all this wood coming down, and then I said, I got to go and check the neighbors. I started walking out, and my wife yelled at me, says, "Get back in here," as if it was still wood flying around.
His car was totaled.
Trunk smashed, the sides are smashed, the front windows smashed.
But his business was spared. Neighboring shops weren't as lucky. Storefronts blown out, bricks blown off. After determining no one was hurt, first responders and village officials turned their attention to the damage done, sending up a drone.
It gives them a bird's eye view of the structure that they can't see easily.
Surveyors assessing the extent of roof and structural damage, determining whether it's safe to go inside. Again, the National Weather Service did have a team member on scene this afternoon. Right now, they're working on that report, so we should have that anytime. We'll be sure to put it on our website, clickondetroit.com. Reporting live in Dundee, Jacqueline Francis, Local 4.
All right, Jacqueline, thank you. Fortunately, no injuries, as you said there, to report.